But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my small little channel. It would mean the world to me, so thank you very much. But let's start right into the topic. First of all, I would always suggest you to quickly restart your computer, and then when you try restarting it, try launching your Epic Games Launcher in Administrator. As administrator, so right-click either on your desktop shortcut and click on Run as Administrator, or just type it in the search Epic Games, and then right-click and click on Run as Administrator. And then when you've got the stop shortcut I will show it the other way that it fits for everyone. So just type it in the Windows search Epic Games Launcher, right-click on it, click on Open File Location, and then again right-click on it and click on again Open File Location. And then when you are in the app data, right-click on your application here, the Epic Games Launcher.exe, and then just click on Properties, and here switch to the Compatibility tab, and here we must set a few settings. First of all, I would always suggest you to run this program in compatibility mode 4. Check this, and Windows 8 is perfectly fine. And then down here in the settings, also 2 and other settings that I would suggest you, first of all, disable full screen optimizations, and to run this program as an administrator every time we launch it. Just check these two also. And then just click on Apply and click on OK. And that's already it. We can then just either double click on our desktop shortcut, or just again type it in the search and open it through there. Then click on Yes, and then it should start as normal as it should fix this, you know. If this helped, I would appreciate a like, comment, and subscription from you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below, then I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye, guys.